The storm is going to pack a punch, a lot of punches.
Yes.
Take us through it all.
Exactly. A powerful punch. And like you said, multiple powerful punches as we head into the next few days. So let's start off with tonight's satellite radar. And I just want to show you, yes, we're seeing rain and snow. And this is just the beginning. I mean, this is minimal compared to what we're in for over the next few days. We're just warming up. I mean, literally the warm up for the next couple rounds of rain and snow. We're now starting to see some snow in Acton. We've also seen some snow through parts of Lancaster around Avenue K in Lancaster, and even icy conditions reported by CHP. Now near Wrightwood, we're looking at a few snow showers right now as well, and eventually we're going to see much more rain, much more snow. Temperatures dropping 20 to 30 degrees below normal. Significant snowfall from the foothills all the way to the metro suburbs, which is pretty incredible. I do want to give you a look at our watches and warnings right now. So take a close look right here. We've got high wind warnings. We've got winter storm warnings. We've got storm warnings over the water, and we have a new warning that just developed. So bear with me and take a look at this. So take a closer look at the LA County mountains there. We've got a blizzard warning. And I have to be totally honest with you guys. I've actually never seen a blizzard warning. And as I'm talking here and working through this with you, I'm seeing orange. And I'm thinking to myself, I've never seen orange in the forecast, on the forecast map here in Southern California. I'd say been here for almost 14 years now. So this is unbelievable. We see winter storm warnings. We see winter weather advisories. We see purple in the mountains, pink. That's indicative of winter weather. But orange, that's pretty new.